Okay, last but not least, we are on to dessert. In here we have, this is like a coffee and fig sort of syrup. Some of that lovely Neal's Yard crème fraîche. Some blood orange. And sort of blood orange, rose and pistachio cake. Right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to warm up our cake. Once again I end up tearing the bags on this because I don't want to damage don't really want to damage the goods inside. That's the trouble. There we go. 1 and 2. Right, they're going in a low oven, about 150 for about 3 odd minutes. Here we go. Cake up. These plates are a bit big, but they're all I have at the minute. Cake's on. Crème fraîche coming in. Dot the oranges around. 3 bits a person. Oh, we'll make sure there's no pips in yours when we send them. Naughty Kelly. That's naughty Kelly. Yep. Kelly. I think I might have to do swap that one for that one because the oranges on that plate ain't got no love, no blood, man, no blood. What is that? Coffee and fig. Almost a bit like a jam, I guess, with coffee and fig. So keeping that, how do you say, that sort of Middle Eastern vibe going throughout the whole 3 courses.